Little batons of ginger. I love the smell of fresh garlic. It smells so good. Put a little oil in here. What we have here is 2 serrano chilies and 2 shallots. There we go. And we're going to just saute just a minute. There it goes. Oh yeah, there we go. Now it's starting to do some stuff. This is our first meal in our Instapot. So that is our garlic and ginger paste. That smells good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Ooh, that smells so good. Alright, just going to keep sauteing our 2 shallots, our 2 serrano chilies, 4 garlic cloves, and ½ an inch of fresh ginger. And we made the ginger and the garlic into a paste using a rasp. Alright, let's do some spices. Okay, here we have turmeric. We have turmeric, hot chili powder, Garam Masala, coriander powder. Just add a touch of water to that. Garam Masala, coriander powder, and cumin seeds. That looks really good. Add a little water so it doesn't dry out. Oh, shoot. Boy, that is strong smelling stuff, isn't it? Alright. There. There we go. Leave the bottom deglazed. Smells good though. Alright, now we're going to add our chopped tomatoes. One can. Mix that up good. Oh, there was one we didn't get chopped up. We'll just cut him up with the spoon. That looks good. Now we're going to add some potatoes, our chickpeas, And our chicken. Chana Masala refers to the chickpeas. Masala refers to like spice blends and so forth, if I'm not mistaken. We're just going to make ours a little heartier here and add potatoes and chicken to it and some stock or just some water. Pretty good, and that'll thicken up with all that tomato and potatoes, starch from the potatoes. I think that'll work. Let's put a little salt in there. Just salt. And some fresh curry pepper. Looks pretty good, huh? Mm-hmm. And we'll serve that over some basmati rice or something delicious like that for the week. And that's that. Manual. I'm thinking for 20 minutes maybe. And that's it. And it should flip on. Which I'm sure they are, no doubt. Oh gosh. It's a piece of chicken. That looks pretty good.
What's up, guys? So Chef Todd whipped up a Texas version of Chana Masala. So Chana Masala typically doesn't come with any meat. It's just made with chickpeas. To make it a Texas style, we added potatoes and chicken, and it looks really, really good. It smells really good. You can definitely smell the turmeric and the Garam Masala in it. So let's give this a try. You can definitely taste the spice in it. It's got a really good heat to it. The potatoes are really tender, cooked in our Instapot. You can taste the turmeric and the Garam Masala and the Amchur spice. It's really, really good. The recipe is down below in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so whenever we drop these videos.